Hi teacher, this is my activity. I talk about the movie The Help. This is a story based on how black people were treated in the 1960s. As white person talk about that's when color servitude want to show the true face and how were when white people. Also the story indirect shows and Martin Luther King. The Hell is set in 1960. The Hell is a drama movie, and the Hell is takes place in Jackson, Mississippi. I like the movie because touch on a really that was lived in the past, and which produced many bad times for dark-skinned people. Thank you, God. Today, Ducks in the Past. My favorite actor of the movie is Emma Stone, Eugenia Skeeter. The protagonist of the story, Skeeter, is the one who takes the courage to write the book on black people's servitude. Thank you.